Marami ang nagne-negative sa network marketing industry dahil sa isang reason na to. And that reason is kapag nag-join ang isang prospect, nag-join ang isang tao, is pinapabayaan na ng upline, pinapabayaan na ng taong nag-invite sa kanila. Pero dito sa Worldwide Entrepreneurs, hindi mangyayari yon. Bakit? After you join Worldwide Entrepreneurs, we have this exclusive community Facebook group, which is, dito lang yan sa Worldwide Entrepreneurs, meron tayong modules step by step ng mga kailangan mong matutunan here in this business. So after you join, you can learn in this community. You can learn in these modules na ginawa pa mismo ni Sir MJ Lopez. At si Sir MJ Lopez pa mismo yung nagtuturo sa mga videos na yon. At alam naman natin, Sir MJ Lopez is the highest paid mentor right now in the Philippines. Multiple times na din siya naging top earner in network marketing. That's why this tools is very effective. And I'm sure, pag nag-join ka sa Worldwide Entrepreneurs, 1 week, inaral mo tong business, and after a week, gagawin mo na siya, you take massive action, and I'm sure, in less than 1 month, sure ako na magkakaresulta ka.